Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are here today with the January 2021 base box unboxing. Not really a review or try on because I'm not doing that today. Also, this may be my last Boxycharm video for a while. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cancel. I will get to the reasons why after we talk about the products. And yeah, if this is something that you are interested in, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, of course, keep on watching. For those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service, so for 25 bucks a month you get 5 full-size products sent to you with a full retail anywhere between 150 to like 200 and some bucks, sometimes like more. It varies month to month. Normally I would say if you're interested I would put my affiliate link in there, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cancel. This month's box retails for, I actually did the math for the first time ever, $214. I spent $25 on this box. So, first off is the Caliente London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. I can't fucking open it. She is a beauty. Create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallic, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application, retailing at $30. Be on the lookout. This will be in a first impressions get ready with me at some point in the future. I just didn't want to do that today because I wanted to film 3 videos today instead of like 2. So, and next up, something that I'm actually really excited about and makes this whole thing absolutely worth it. There's 2 products in here that I'm like, yes! Anyway, so by Pharmacy, Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. An oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. Vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients, I can't read, known to help clear pores and reduce shine. MSRP is $38. I love Pharmacy products. I've had a couple samples. I've also had a couple full size of their balm like makeup remover. Whoo! I love that shit. So good. The other thing that I'm really excited about, there's like little rocks in there or something. I wonder what that is. Okay, the Lifestyle Co. Reset Mist. It's a glass bottle, which I'm gonna have to be really fucking careful, I'm not gonna lie. Indulge in a lavender and tea tree oil infused body and linen spray. And linen. Spray the Reset Mist on your sheets before bed for a calm sleep and use it as a toner for your face in the morning to enjoy the properties of tea tree oil. Retailing at $36. Well, if you can spray it on your sheets, I'm gonna spray it on my shirt. That's really nice and lavendery. Maybe there'll be a theme and I'll use that tonight with my calming sheet mask because this bitch is gonna need to be calm. I am shook with the price point on this bad boy. Dr. Brandt. Do not age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Deeply hydrating peptide powered. I was like, powdered? What? Powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types, retailing at $82. $82 for a fucking half ounce. I mean, I'm gonna use it. Okay, last thing before we get into reasons why. Okay. Queen Studio, I don't know why it's with a V, Dragon Duo. So this is a modern day Boss Babe approved inky black pigmentation and a semi-waterproof formula. Choose your look using the Dragon Duo, Dragon Liner Liquid for smudge proof symmetrical wings, or Dragon Liner Pencil for a softer look or smoky eye. Created for beginners, loved by the pros. MSRP at $28. So yeah, I'm not opening this cap just yet because this will be in a first impressions get ready with me. I did check this one out. I had got a feeling this is a actual pencil. I will be giving this away. Yes, I know. Do I realize, yes, I could get a pencil sharpener and like have stuff? I don't fucking want to. Give me the twist shit. Like, yeah, this does have a really nice formula. Well, I assume this does, but I've used the pencils that I've used. It's like, oh my god, why don't I do this? And then I realize, oh, because I have to sharpen it. Like, fuck that. Like, I don't want to. Like, this isn't the 1800s, okay? I don't know how accurate that is, so, you know, sue me. Don't. But anyway, yeah, so definitely worth it. There are, you know, like, do I technically need another palette? No. But this is fucking gorgeous, and I'm kind of not mad at it. But I really don't need another palette. Like, the thing is, there's a list of reasons why I just don't want Boxycharm anymore. You always get a palette. You do not, yes, even though you take the beauty quiz and stuff like that, you do not have as much control. They finally added for this month the option to pick 2 products. I believe these 2 are the ones that I chose. I remember choosing this. I totally forgot about this and I'm like, oh yeah. But still, you're always gonna get a palette. You're always gonna get some kind of a mascara and blah blah blah. And it's just like, I don't fucking need that. In less than 6 months, I received 3 full-size eye primers. No one in their fucking right mind is using that much fucking eye primer. I mean, maybe if you're a professional makeup artist and you're like, you got jobs like every single fucking day, multiple clients, something like that. Even when I was doing makeup every day rather than like a once in a while thing, because most of the time day to day I look like a fucking troll, like not gonna lie. I can't. I'm getting too much of like one thing and not like I just can't do it anymore. It's, you know, and it's not like it's all been bad. It's just I'm getting way too much of stuff that I like. I shouldn't pick that because I totally want that. But you know, like the eyeliners and the like, I'm getting way too much of shit that I don't fucking want, and I get more use out of stuff from Ipsy. You know, I do like the pop-up shop. I do like their add-ons, like, because they do have more lifestyle stuff, which is nice, but it's just not worth it for me, especially not at this time. This could very well change later on, especially like if I want something else, then I'll probably rejoin. So really no hard feelings. It's just I just can't do it right now. It is what it is, but Ipsy is by far better, easier to manage, better customer service. There's an app, you can look at shit like all the time. That's basically where I'm at with that, and I'm definitely looking forward to these products. Like I said earlier, stay tuned for First Impressions Get Ready With Me at some point where I will be using this for the first time. And of course, it'll be put in the rotation for the 3 Looks 1 Palette video series. So I'm guessing that's gonna come to you by like, what, the fall, maybe the end of the year? I don't know. Let's take a guess right now. Anyone want to take any bets right now? Something, guess, bets, whatever. Yeah. Okay, I really need to like eat food because I'm acting fucking weird. It's a weird day, hence the lavender preparation. Shove some up my asshole and see it. No, I'm just kidding. No, I do not. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until the next one, that's not the Boxycharm.